guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating this old Panasonic camcorder that my mom used to use a lot. It isn't really used anymore because I'm just kind of into old tech and stuff. And well, so this thing, what I like about these cameras is, well, even the modern day versions is I love the flip out screens. And I even like the way how you can do this, flip the screen the other way, flip it downwards and push it back in there. There's the SD card slot right here, where you can put SD cards in, but this thing doesn't accept modern day SD cards. Now I'm just gonna go turn it. Well, right here is this thingy that plugs into it, and here's the battery, and here's the battery charger. Gotta go plug this in and show you just how it'll work. This is a substitute for the battery, but I still need to have the battery charger plugged in for this to work. Come on, go in. Come on. There we go, got it in now. Just flip this switch right here to turn it on. I can then open the screen. And in here is where these mini digital video cassettes are stored. It's not VHS-C, it's mini digital video cassette. Well, I wish they made adapters for these like they do with VHS-C so I can play it in my VCR right there. But for now, I'll only be able to watch them right here. Let me show you just the cool tape ejector system. That's cool, isn't it? And this is a tape that's in there. I'll just push it shut and put it back in. Now I can just hit play if I want to, if this one has anything on it. That just had a little stupid clip on it. Now I'm going to show you its little rewind cycle. I'm going to show you its fast forward cycle. That was it. Now, well, you saw down there it said January 2000. That's not the right date. It's wrong. Because this thing's old and I don't know how to set that. Screen flip. Now I've got to guess there's nothing right now. So that's pretty much it on the demonstration of the old Panasonic camcorder. I love the tape ejector. It's my favorite part of this unit.